Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today we are in Rocket League and I would like to tell you about how to trade up items in Rocket League. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to Garage, click here, and now go to Trade In. And there are, you can see 3 fields: core items, tournaments items, and blueprints. So if you want to trade up core items, select the necessary rarity items. For example, if you want to trade up special items, click here, deluxe items here, and so on. Unfortunately, now I can trade only black market items and blueprints. Let's try to trade up blueprints firstly. Select the necessary rarity, select 5 items, and just click on accept. Yes, and here's the result. So hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.